Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to bring you an in-depth review of the Sony BRAVIA HT-A9M2 HT-A9M2 home theater surround sound system. This advanced sound system promises to deliver an unparalleled audio experience with its impressive array of features, including 16 total speakers, Dolby Atmos, DTS support, and 360 spatial sound mapping. Let's dive into what makes the Sony BRAVIA HT-A9M2 a top choice for your home entertainment setup. Interested in elevating your home audio experience? Check out the link below for the best deals and more information. First off, let's talk about the design. The Sony BRAVIA HT-A9M2 HT-A9M2 features a sleek and modern design that will seamlessly blend into any home decor. The system includes 4 wireless speakers and a central control unit, providing flexibility in placement and setup. The minimalist design and high-quality materials ensure that the system looks as good as it sounds, adding a touch of sophistication to your living space. The highlight of this system is its audio performance. The Sony BRAVIA HT-A9M2 HT-A9M2 boasts 16 total speakers, including up-firing drivers, that create an immersive and dynamic soundstage. The system supports Dolby Atmos and DTS, delivering multi-dimensional audio that moves around you, making you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or listening to music, the HT-A9M2 provides crystal clear sound with deep bass and precise highs. One of the standout features of the Sony BRAVIA HT-A9M2 HT-A9M2 is its 360 spatial sound mapping technology. This innovative feature creates multiple phantom speakers by synthesizing sound waves, resulting in a spacious and enveloping audio experience. The sound mapping adapts to your room's acoustics, ensuring optimal sound quality regardless of the room's size or shape. This technology truly transforms your home into a cinematic audio environment. The HT-A9M2 system also includes advanced calibration features. The built-in microphones in each speaker measure the room's acoustic properties and automatically adjust the sound settings for the best possible audio performance. This ensures that you get a perfectly balanced sound, tailored to your specific room setup. In terms of connectivity, the Sony BRAVIA HT-A9M2 HT-A9M2 offers a variety of options. It includes HDMI IRC, optical input, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi, allowing you to connect a wide range of devices. The HDMI IRC support ensures high-quality audio transmission from your TV, while Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enable wireless streaming from your smartphone, tablet, or other devices. The system also features built-in Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, allowing you to control it with your voice and integrate it with your smart home ecosystem. Setting up the Sony BRAVIA HT-A9M2 HT-A9M2 is straightforward and user-friendly. The wireless speakers connect seamlessly to the central control unit, eliminating the need for messy cables. The system's intuitive interface and remote control make it easy to adjust settings and switch between different audio modes. Additionally, the system is compatible with the Sony Music Center app, allowing you to control the sound system from your smartphone. In terms of build quality, the Sony BRAVIA HT-A9M2 HT-A9M2 is built to last. The robust construction and high-quality materials ensure durability and long-lasting performance. The sleek and sturdy design also includes wall mounting options for the speakers, allowing you to customize your setup to suit your preferences. In conclusion, the Sony BRAVIA HT-A9M2 HT-A9M2 home theater surround sound system is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to elevate their home audio experience. Its sleek design, advanced audio technologies, and versatile connectivity options make it a top-tier sound system that delivers exceptional performance. Whether you're a movie enthusiast, a gamer, or a music lover, this system has something to offer for everyone. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.